Parkhurst Laser Medspa 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm going to really try to keep it to 2 minutes, but you know how that goes. So today we're going to be talking about PRP for hair restoration. I have a lot of procedures here that are my favorite, but this is really one of my most favorite, and the results that we're getting are phenomenal. When you come in for your procedure, the first thing that we'll do is we're going to take some of your own blood. So it's an autologous blood sample. And then we take that blood and through our special sterilized kits, we spin it down with our centrifuge using the 2 cycles. And then once we get that all finished, we end up with the platelet-rich plasma, which is the part of your blood that has the growth factors and will help stimulate those the cells around your hair follicles to help them grow again, thicker, stronger, and longer. So we take the blood, we spin it down, and then we do 2 things. Number 1, we inject that into your scalp, and then the second thing we do is we actually do a microneedling technique where we microneedle all up into the area. Usually, it's the top of the head where the hair loss is. So we microneedle that in. And then after that, we have a hair cap that we place on you that has infrared light in the perfect wavelength. Sorry, I don't mean to blind you. To place on the head, and we do that for 10 minutes. One thing that we do here at Parkhurst Laser Medspa is we also add some amniotic stem cells into the PRP to give it that extra boost, because even though we are concentrating your platelets and we are getting the growth factors, if you're of a certain age, those are older growth factors, and so we like to add the young, vibrant amniotic stem cells to really kind of hyper boost the process. So often we get several questions, and number 1 is typically, how long will it be until I see results? Well, usually we see results within about 3 months, and that is because the process of hair growth goes through 3 different cycles. Another question that we get is it hurt? Is it painful and uncomfortable? Most of our patients say that it's actually very comfortable. We use numbing medication, and we also have a Pronox machine so that you can breathe in nitrous oxide, and just most of our patients are laughing and enjoying and saying it's actually a very fun experience for them. Another question that we get, is this an outpatient procedure? And yes, this is an outpatient procedure. It usually takes us about 1.5 hours to do, just because we do the 2 cycles, and also just want to make sure that you're nice and comfortable. Hair loss affects about 50 million men in the United States and about 30 million women in the United States. In men, it is usually the primary cause is dihydrogen testosterone. Many people know it as DHT. This can actually increase if you are very vigorous in your exercise or take supplements like creatine. It increases that DHT in your body, and that actually tells your hair to fall out a little bit faster. In women, the cause of hair loss is usually hormonal. It is stress, it is sleep, it is all those things that moms usually don't get a whole lot of. So that is the cause for women, but both causes are treatable, and PRP has been very effective. One other thing that we do here at Parkhurst Laser Medspa is we add PDO threads, polydioxanone threads, into the scalp after we do the PRP injections and the microneedling. We add some PDO threads that give your hair in that area of your skin a little more structure. They increase the microcirculation in that area, and it provides a good scaffolding for this new hair growth. I hope that you learned a lot today, and if you have any other questions, please let us know. You can contact us with the information below, and also, did I get under 2 minutes this time?
Just outside, just outside.
One of these days.